Being minimalist is the new cool lifestyle trends that also has its perks. Today, let's dive in and see the 6 benefits of being a minimalist, starting right now. Number 1. You don't have to be worried about cleaning all the time. When you have a habit of hoarding stuff, you will notice that everything in your surroundings is a mess. That's because you have more than you need. If you keep the stuff that is necessary only, you will notice that you feel less stressed out at the end of the day. The less the clutter, the lesser the cleaning and organizing. Number 2. You save so much time. You will honestly be surprised at the amount of time you can save by being a minimalist. This is because half your time is spent cleaning and arranging things all over your house. When you have lesser things, lesser time is required to keep them in place. You might as well not even need to clean your house every day once you get the hang of the minimalist lifestyle. Doesn't that sound appealing? No one enjoys cleaning the house, and the time spent cleaning the house can be used in sitting at your terrace in the evening while you admire nature and have a nice laugh with your family. Number 3. You can easily find what you need. Come on, be completely honest. How many of you have been frustrated because you were unable to find that one pair of black jeans you wear every day to college in the whole lot of irrelevant jeans that you think you need but never wear? Funnily enough, those black jeans always disappear when we are already getting late. Don't they? In order to avoid such frustrating situations, make sure you already have just what you need. So, now you know the hack for finding your black jeans right away, just when you need them. Be a minimalist, sweetheart, and proudly embrace it. Number 4. You save so much money. Once you have mastered this art, you will not be a shopaholic. You will not mindlessly spend your money on stuff that is not required. You can save so much money by being a minimalist, and you will realize how much of a savior it is to be a minimalist. You don't shop for things just for the sake of shopping, you shop when it is integral. You become mindful of the things where you spend your money. This has to be one of the greatest benefits of being a minimalist. Number 5. You're causing less damage to the environment. When you buy less, you are automatically prone to shopping for quality. Quality products mean they offer you longevity. Many eco-friendly brands are a little pricier, and you can finally start to afford them. So it definitely is a positive step in which you are reducing the damage to the environment. Number 6. You feel free. You are no longer attached to materialistic things, which allows you to be free. You feel another level of mental satisfaction when you are not keeping your feelings related to temporary things. This feeling will only be felt once you have become a pro at being a minimalist. So, let us know in the comments, how many of you plan on being a minimalist after watching the video? Thanks for watching.